Science!
And 1, 2.
Woo! Dance! How? Hey kids, Professor Marbles here. Today we're gonna learn about circuits and electricity using some stuff I got. Look at that. Woo. Woo.
Bet you're a little hot over there with your electricity. Not me. This flower won't be wilting anytime soon. To the lab.
All right, we're in the lab and we've got some electronics equipment here. Some very simple, elementary level electronic stuff.
Simple.
We got some lights, we got a motor with a fan on the end of it, we got some batteries and some wires. We've also got some switches. We're gonna use this to kind of show you how electricity flows like water.
Water. Like fire water?
So where you don't have a way for it to go, it won't go. If you don't have something that can conduct electricity, such as a wire or something that isn't a wire, it will only go where it can go. Let's set up a simple circuit.
Simple.
I've got a battery,
Which holds the electricity.
and I'm gonna take
Not going anywhere right now.
a clip here.
Now Professor Marbles is connecting the wires, which is like a road that the electricity can take.
Once I connect this to this end of our battery, we will see the light come on. How about that? Look at that.
How neat is that?
Let's try another thing. What happens if I interrupt that with something like a switch? I'm gonna put this here, and this here. Now why isn't the light coming on?
I don't know, Marco.
I don't know. There's clearly a road leading to the light.
Yes, but the road, let's say, has a drawbridge.
Okay.
The drawbridge is up, so this stops the flow of electricity to here.
Oh, now that makes a lot of sense.
Now, if I were to take this down and connect it, the flow of electricity is allowed to
The
continue.
road continues on. Oh, wow, that is
Now, electricity, also like water, flows in the circuit. So it's going around and around and around. I'm sure Editor Josh can put something here that shows how electricity flows around and around and around and around.
Maybe he'll put it here.
No, you know what?
Around and around.
A little higher
Oh, like kind of here?
Yeah.
But I'd like it centered in between us.
between us. So
Yeah,
like we're
that way
holding
it up. We're
Yeah.
holding the experiment up.
Yeah.
That looks good. But you can do much more than just light a simple light bulb with
That's
electricity.
true, yeah. So we can take the bulb out,
Now, say it's a hot summer day.
like we do have in Lincoln, Nebraska. You could use it to power a motor that spins and has
A fan.
a fan on the other end. Give you a nice little breeze. And not very nice. It's very small breeze.
I can give you a larger one.
Really?
You have one
power source?
One power source there.
Sure I do.
I will be using two to connect them both,
Okay.
and then connect them here to create what is called a series.
Okay, so you're gonna have two batteries
Two batteries.
in series. Gotcha, okay.
Now we're gonna connect the blue one over here. We'll connect the blue one there. We've got one road going. I'll connect this end, and now we got a second road.
Two roads diverged in the wood, and I.
Now that's blowing.
Wow,
That's
yeah,
blowing much
I can
nicer.
feel that. And I don't know if you can hear it, but it is even much louder.
Yeah,
That's spinning a lot more.
because you've got almost twice the power going to it.
We do indeed.
Now, if you want to not just cool off faster, but also see a room, light it up a little brighter.
Wow.
Wow.
That's a lot brighter than the one that I did, for sure. How about that?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That was nuts.
So what if we do like two things? We do a light, a fan, and a switch somewhere in there.
2 very boring minutes later.
There we go.
I think
Here's the problem.
that is drawing more power.
From that.
I wonder, I was thinking, this is like a shortcut here. This is giving it the same speed and power that it did with just one battery before. I'm thinking if I had it like this and I have the switch off, if I try to connect it,
Oh yeah, definitely.
it goes up in speed.
Picked up speed. Some science ASMR.
How about that? How cool is that?
That's pretty neat, I'd say.
That's pretty neat.
All right.
Should we try to swap that out and do the bulb?
Approximately 10 hours later.
A little bit of light.
And then, woo!
Little light. Little light. clock. Quite the interesting flow of electricity we got going.
Yeah, how cool is that? I think that is super cool.
As do I.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.
Could you stop that, please?
And remember to look for the science around you. And I'll see you in the next experiment.
I wait a little early, but that's all right. This meatball right now.
I wonder. Oh, no.